Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate a form here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating a form in Smartsheet is a straightforward process because all you're gonna do is to reuse the same form layout across different projects or processes, ensuring uniformity, or if you want to avoid the need to recreate forms from scratch, which of course speeds up the setup process. Now, for example, you have already chosen the form that you want to duplicate. All you're gonna do is go to the home page, all right? And then on the home page, you see, just look for the form that you want to duplicate. It's very easy. If you haven't had the chance to create a form yet, you might want to click on the start a new project, program or process. Click that and click on form. If this is your first time creating a form, all right? So let me walk you through. Now you would be forwarded here. Okay, you must rename this one. For example, this is going to be that. We can drop and drag files here. Okay. Once you're happy with that, click on save. Now the form is active. All right. And then just hover back here at the back section. Okay, and we would be reverted back here. Now once you are back, all you're gonna do is click on the forms and click on manage forms, and there should be an option here on the hamburger menu. There's gonna be an option that says duplicate form. All right, you can create another form if you wanted for a specific Smartsheet, or you can simply just duplicate the form, because doing so, of course, you can easily modify a duplicated form for a specific need without altering the original, right? You can experiment with different versions of a form while keeping the original intact for comparison. And of course, you can ensure that data is collected in a consistent format across multiple forms, improving accuracy and ease of analysis. Once you're happy with it, for example, this one, all you're going to do is click on save. And you can also share the form if you wanted. For example, this one. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.